How to remove green screen in CapCut. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you have to open the CapCut app from here, and you have to drag and drop or just select the green screen video. Let's just select it. Let's just say this is the video. So when you want to remove the green screen, you just have to drag the video here, and after dragging it, you just have to click on the video and go to the animation or adjust file, and you have to click on the remove PG under the video section and click on auto removal and click on chroma key after that, and you just have to pick the color from here, and then you just simply need to see which color range is perfect for you. So you might need to adjust it, and it's a pro feature. Of course, you have to buy a pro feature to adjust the color. So if you play the video right now, as you can see, this is what it looks like, but when you make the intensity larger or lesser while purchasing the pro version, you can just remove the green screen completely. So then you can just click on export and save the video on your desktop or laptop. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.